Next, you have objectives of the study. So for the objectives of the study, guys, naghatag na ko daan og format. Kay usually ito yung hinahanap din nila Sir Nico and Sir Gab. Okay? So for the yung objectives of the study natin, we have two parts. We have the general objective and then the specific objective. Okay? But you don't need to put these words ba guys ha? Kaato man ang ibutang dinigapon. Ako lang nang gi-highlight lang para aware mo. So the first sentence na dapat mababasa namin sa inyong objectives of the study is ito. The general objective of the study is to design and develop. Ano yung system da yun? Diba? Ay na pa ibalik-balik ang design and develop, diba? The goal or the general objective of the study is to design and develop. Tapos katong sumpay na rin guys sa inyong tawag dito, sumpay sa inyong working title. Am I clear? Sige. Next dayon is that the second sentence will start with this one. To achieve the general objective, the study will pursue the following specific objectives. You will use letters guys ha, letters. So for example, to gather data using what kind of tool, what kind of data, and then what kind of tools. This one is with citation. Yan. Bakit with citation? Kasi dito namin guys, iti-test if nagbasa ba talaga yung back-end developer din ng study. Okay? For example, dito, to gather what kind of data. There are a lot of data kasi available or there are a lot of types of data. Okay? So mag-research ka, back-end developer, kung ano ba talaga yung dapat yung makuha. For example, ito lang guys, sa example lang ito ha. To gather data on operations, profile, and transactions. Of course, using structured interviews. Nakuha ko ito from Eduave 2025. Okay? And then please make sure guys na your objectives of the study, specific objectives is one-liner lang. And it will always end with a semicolon. Ha? Ayo ba yung awata ba ining kaning ka Ma'am Jeline ha? Basta niyo rin yung awato ninyo. Hanap kayo guys, mag-research kayo. Or if after the interview, you identify kung anong type ng data, iparan ninyo kay ChatGPT guys. Kung ano yung tawag dito, kung anong type of data ang nakuha ninyo. Okay? And of course, for the tools, ang ginamit dito is interview. So, ang pinagbasehan niya dito is a study man. So, we have one case last year na tinanong namin bakit ang ginamit niya is interview. So, magaling yung sumagot. Ang sagot niya is that, sir, actually, ang pinagbasehan ko is 10 study. Yung 7, sir, they did survey. Yung 3, they did interview. So, and then I asked him dayon. So, bakit ka nag-conclude na itong interview ang gamitin mo? Tapos sabi niya, sir, interview lang po, sir, because the client na we have right now is isa lang siya. Tapos, yung mga members of the organization is hindi man lahat pina-interview sa amin. Like, 3 lang yung pina-interview sa amin. Hindi na kami nagpa-survey. Diba? So, that's one good explanation na binigay sa amin. So, kayo po guys, mag-research din kayo through journals kung ano yung best fit. Diba? Kaya basin di interview ang inyo okay sa inyo, basin di survey, basin di Google Form ready ay, di ba? And then you have it here, to design what diagrams, okay? Ano yung mga diagrams na gagamitin ninyo? And then you also have what tools, again always ginagida what diagrams, tapos anong tools ang ibig sabihin bitaw ng tools dito is yung anong tools ang gagamitin mo to create that diagram. For example, you will use Figma, you will use SmartDraw, you will use PowerPoint presentation, kayo na ang bahala. Okay? Again, kinakailangan din ng citation. Okay? Letter C, to develop the following functions or module. Diba dito, you have here functions naman to dani. Bungkago na po din ito ni mga sa dinida sa dayon. Now, look at this one. Following module. Example lang niya. Student enrollment module to solve what problem? Anong problem ang na-solve sa student enrollment module? Balik ka doon sa statement of the problem mo naman. Baliki mo statement of the problem. Like kani nga module is muna mag-solve, sir. Okay. Diba? So kung ibig sabihin, if you have apat na problems, apat din dapat yung functions or modules na we will read this in this line. Okay? Tapos, you have it here to deploy what platform. Ay, wait muna, baka may magtatanong, ano yung para sa tools? Again guys, there are times kasi na iba-ibang tools ang gagamitin mo for that module. For example, you will use the Ionic, yung iba Laravel, yung iba naman, basta kayo nang bahala guys. That's why gali, we encourage everyone to read a lot of journals and then make sure na it's research-based talaga. To deploy naman, what platform? Ang pagbabasehan ninyo dito is ano ba siya? Is it will it be deployed as mobile? Will it be deployed as web application? Will it be deployed as Windows Form? Or it will be across platform na merong web, meron ding tawag dito, meron ding mobile. Okay? And of course, you are to test your system. Anong tools ang gagamitin to test and then to evaluate ano yung i-evaluate, 'di ba? To evaluate using what tool. So one-liner lang din and then make sure na merong citation. Lahat itong objectives na to, specific objectives dapat merong citation. Sir, what if lugar sir? Ang amo bitong objectives kay isa ra ka study ang gibasihan namo na dako gid nga problema gid guys because that will indicate na hindi ka talaga kayo nag-research, di ba? It doesn't mean na gali, you need to really make sure na your citations for objectives of the study will be coming from multiple sources para we can say nga, okay, nagbasa gid sila gid ay, di ba? So for example, if on the first study nag-interview, tapos on the second study, yung gikuha dito ang diagram. Sa third na study, dito mo ko ang mga module. So kamo na bahala guys. Basta kay the more citations you have, the more we will believe na you did really well in your research na process. Okay? Again, that part is reserved for back-end developer. Okay? Next, you have it here.